In this video, let me show you how to manage reset fuel economy. So let me show you where you can define exactly where the car should clear your average fuel consumption tracker. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. As you can see, this is the home screen of the Huawei infotainment system. Now let's use the setup button. It's right here at the bottom of the display, and then select the vehicle. This is the first section right here. If you open the vehicle, you've got here access to the cluster. As you can see, the second tab from the left. If you open the cluster, you've got access to the following settings. Choose here reset fuel economy, and here you've got three options. On vehicle start, right here, the first option. So it automatically resets your average fuel economy every time you start a new trip. You can choose after refueling. Reset automatically only when the car detects you have filled up the gas tank. This lets you track your fuel economy per full tank of gas, or you can choose manually right here. So the car will never reset the average fuel numbers on its own. It only resets when you manually press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel. So it depends on your preferences. I think in my case, after refueling, it's the best choice, but you can decide on your own. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.